Hi guys, this is Abraham from the Integrity Auto. Today I am going to show you to replacement of the stabilizer. Um, I don't know the regulation of your country, but in Japan, if you have something problem with the link boots, so which means you cannot pass the inspection. So that's why I'm going to change this one, because this one is done, so they replaced the new one. The first thing, the original link stabilizer has 16 millimeter socket, but the new one, I don't know why, it is 17 millimeter. So that's why I prepared 16 millimeters. Oh, this is 14. 14. And the new one is 17. I prepare both of them. So let's begin. The first thing, I need to remove this tire. It's very simple. This 4-bolt here. Not bolt, actually. Japanese car using the nuts, not bolt. Let me I pause the video and then remove this tire and then come back again. So I already changed the right side, so right now I am the left side of the car. The right side was pretty stuck, so the first thing I need to remove, sorry, my finger was front of the camera. And hopefully this thing is not stuck on right side. Damn. Oh, okay guys, this damn thing is so stuck, so let me I make a little bit loose and then come back. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, so I loosened a little bit, so keep doing, and probably you are going to stuck at some point to loosen this nut, because there is the bolt, joint bolt inside, joint something inside of it, so it's bolt nuts is turning, and also the inside this rod is turning too, so you need this thing stuck here. Make sure you put it here, see, and this one is 14 millimeter. Oops. This is turning, so let's put this on. So we need something here to stuck here to hold the inside rod or inside thing is firmly stable, otherwise this thing is never come out. It's turning infinitely. So this part is same here, so you need this one also stuck inside that, and then you can the nuts came out. See, inside is turning, so that's why we need this. take this out. Okay guys, the bottom here is also same, so let me I take this one out and then come back. So I just remove the link, so putting back, so we need to reverse everything. Remove this one, remove this one, and place it here. Okay, so as you can see, oh god, as you can see, we have something problem here, so which means, so we cannot the first thing, so we need the holding camera and doing things, it's get a little bit difficult. So okay, so we need something this big. I use to push down. Nope. We need push this arm to down to meet this bolt inside to here, so we need to push it down. So what I suggest is, so hold it here, and then we use support this drive up or something, I don't know, it's a steering arm, so we have to push it down up, so that in that time this arm going to down, and then it's meet here. So holding camera and doing the things is getting difficult, so I'm pausing again, and then when I insert this thing and come back. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I put it here, so put this nut back and reverse everything. Of course, not forgot to using this one because it's going to turn again. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any question, just write the comment section and I will reply as fast as I can. Okay, see you on next video. Bye bye.